In this video, I am going to showcase a very modern fence option that people are going with if they're looking to break the status quo. This is horizontal semi-private vinyl fencing. This is a beautiful semi-private design. It consists of 3-inch pickets with a small space in between each picket. I'm going to show 3 examples of this fence. For the first example, we are going to take a trip over to City Cellar, an outstanding restaurant in Westbury, New York, where we installed this fence along their outdoor patio. And as you'll see here, we installed it in an Adobe color. This is an absolutely beautiful color, and it matches the patio restaurant aesthetic. Now, this restaurant job happens to be one of my favorite fence installations that we did in 2025. So I just want to take a second to show it to you so you can appreciate it. This will last about 10 seconds. Enjoy the fence, and then we'll move on to the next example. Now let's move on to the next example. I want to show you this fence in black because it looks absolutely stunning. The examples I'm showing you in this video are both pool equipment enclosures. I love this fence for this purpose because when you're hanging out in your pool or hanging out on the patio, you're going to see this fence a lot. So you want it to look awesome, but also functionally, this fence allows for airflow because you have spaces between those horizontal pickets, and that airflow is important for the pool equipment to function properly. I love this style for pool equipment enclosures. Now let's move on to the next example where you will see this fence in white. Now this fence was installed along the side of a house, and as you'll see, matching gates are available, and the gates look awesome. And they can be made in any color to match the color of fencing that you're installing at your property. Horizontal semi-private vinyl fencing is perfect if total privacy is not really a concern for you. So if you're installing this fence along the water or along a row of bushes or arborvitaes like we did for the restaurant, that is perfect because if you're facing the water, total privacy is not really a concern. You want those gaps in the fence. And if you're installing in front of a row of bushes, the bushes are going to provide most of the privacy. So you don't need a totally private fence. So it's nice to have that modern horizontal look with the spaces in these scenarios. This fence is also perfect if airflow is important, as in the examples of our pool equipment enclosures. This is also great if you're installing in front of bushes because light will pass through the spaces in the fence, so you won't have one side of the bushes turn brown. Because that light is able to pass through, the bushes will stay green and healthy all the way around. This fence, along with greenery, just make a really great pair. So if you couldn't tell by watching this video, this is one of my favorite styles of fence. I really think it's one of our most modern choices, and it's becoming increasingly popular here. Now, if you're interested in having something like this installed at your property, simply text or call me at the number here. My name is Alex. I'll be the one actually answering the phone or responding to your text message. This is not automated. We're still kind of old school here at Natural Beauty Fence a little bit. So this is my actual cell phone number. Simply text or call me. I'd be happy to help you. We do installations here on Long Island, in New York City, Westchester, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Again, text or call me here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to actually see one of our real installations, check out the video here. This is the installation that we did at the restaurant, so you could see actually the step-by-step process that we go through when installing one of these fences. And I think if you're considering this product, you'll find this interesting. So check out the related content, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.